Beech Grove, Indianapolis, Indiana. Walmart. Nothing's here. I had to do a voiceover because all the screaming and yelling in the background and the person on the PA system. Cobra Commander right there. There's really not much here that I wasn't expecting anything. I was kind of hoping for something. It's been several weeks since I've been down any of the aisles of Walmart. Even if I went to Walmart, I didn't go down the aisles. Got some wrestling figures. Not too much into that, but got some of those. I don't know if any of those are sought after there, but all this other stuff is kind of like just random stuff. You got the Spider-Man and Captain America pig warmer there, and some stuff on the bottom. Like I said, I don't even. There was no point in me talking while I was filming the video anyway, even though there's background noise, because all I was saying there's nothing here. Hulk hands down at the bottom. Captain America shield. I guess that's all right. I guess. And you got all the, the 12-inch figures, and you got the Star Wars Black Series that has nothing. At least nothing that I'm looking for, and wasn't expecting anything. The Star Wars here, and there's a turtle right there, the white one. That was caught my eye, but it was like a very off-knock brand, which is nothing wrong with that, but just I already have the NECA white turtles, and as you can see, there's really nothing for turtles here. Some of the Mayhem stuff. Now this is the DC collection. That's it. There's nothing. There's nothing. At the bottom, you got a couple of the, I guess it's Spin Master stuff. I don't know. It's just not my thing. And of course, there's always an abundance of dinosaurs for some reason. It's not my thing either, and I knew Target, for some reason, they carry abundance of dinosaur stuff. So there's really nothing there. It's a disappointing thing. Guess I have to start going to the local private toy stores here. I got a couple here in Indianapolis. The Toy Drop and the Toy Pit. I guess I'm just going to have to go there, and Amazon. That's all I can do. There's nothing. I'm not really, I don't know. It's very disappointing now. This is basically what all the other Walmarts in my area look like. You might find one or two things here and there that, that just hang around on the pegs from DC Multiverse, or even the a Black Series, or even Marvel Legends. There's really no high-end characters that you're looking for that they ever carry anymore, man. I don't know what's going on. I guess whatever, They do have a stack of Masters of the Universe New Eternia that's just kind of cool. The Faker, that was tempting, but no, I don't know. I don't know. They had a couple different ones here. Not a big deal, but they mostly always had on the pegs. Warman is one, that He-Man right there. The He-Man with the gold shield. Got plenty of those. They've been there. I really don't get anything anymore, man. I don't know. So this is not a toy hunt, so to speak. I guess kind of in a way. More like a showcase of what I found and what's not there. And I was expecting this. Now let's go into the collector's corner real quick. Walmart's collector corner, so to speak, or whatever it's called. Collector's whatever. This is it right here. That's it. That's my collector's corner, so to speak, if that's what they call it. Really nothing there. So thanks for watching, and I just gave you a little glimpse of what's going on over here in Indianapolis. So I'll see you guys on the next one.